Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you a cool Unity project I've been working on called Highway Racer. It's a racing game that I've put together, and I'll also be walking you through a couple of issues that I faced and how I fixed them. Let's start by taking a look at the gameplay. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Unity development content. As you can see, the game is running smoothly, and everything looks pretty good. Now, if you're interested in checking out the Highway Racer project for yourself, you can download it from my website at infrared.web.app. The link will be available in description. You'll find the project available for download, and you can follow along as I go through the process of fixing the errors. The project is 100% free in my website. If you click download button 2 or 3 times, you can see a mega download link. Download the Highway Racer project from here. After completing the download, you can see a project like this. You need to import this template in your Unity engine project. To import the project, at first open your Unity Hub. Then click Create New button and select 3D Environment. Give a name of this project and then click Create Project button. When the project opens, you can see Unity scene like that. Now open your folder and drag the downloaded Highway Racer project in your Assets folder. You'll see a pop-up import option. Click the import option. You will see the project folders. Then click Next button. It will take a couple of seconds to import the project. If you go to the console windows, you will see 2 errors about GUI. Double-click to the error, you'll see that script will automatically open. First, let's address the GUI issue. We'll remove GUI texture and add UI system in the top. Right using Unity engine.ui. This is a simple fix. Don't forget to save the code. Again, double-click to the second error. You can see another script will open. We'll replace GUI text with Unity's newer text component from the UI system. This is a simple fix. Just go ahead and replace GUI text with text, and we'll be good to go. Again, don't forget to save the code. Now that we've fixed the GUI issue, let's move on to the next problem, the particle system. For the particle issue, we need to remove the ParticleRenderer reference and make sure we're using Particle System Renderer, which is the correct component for particles in Unity now. I'll make this quick change. And do the same for all of the script one by one. All the errors are gone from the console windows. Now, open Highway Racer folder and go to the Scene folder. Open Main Menu Scene. Click Play button, and you will see that the game start running. As you can see, the game is running smoothly, and the errors are gone. Everything works just as expected. If you'd like to try out this project for yourself, don't forget to download it from my website at infrared.web.app. You'll get access to the latest version of Highway Racer, and you can explore the code and see how I fixed these issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Unity development content. I'll see you in the next one.